morning, Mr. Lacorte. I'm Nurse JL. So, kamusta naman po yung pakiramdam nila?
Sa totoo lang yun, hinihinga po ako. Kahit po pag taas na kami, kumihitirapan po ako.
Sir, check ko lang po yung vital signs niyo, ha? So, normal naman po. Nag-use lang po talaga ng maraming energy yung katawan niya. Kaya po, parang pagod po yung pakiramdam niya.
Taasan lang po natin yung higaan, yung para di po kayo mahirapan huminga. Okay lang po ba?
Komportable niyo po.
Thank you, nurse.
You're welcome po. Ganito na lang po. I-schedule na lang po namin ng maayos yung vital signs niyo, yung medications, pati yung hygiene para hindi na po kayo masyadong mag-istorbo. After po nun, pwede na po kayo magpahinga ng maayos.
So, sir, pahinga lang po kayo. Tawagin niyo lang po kami pag kailangan niyo po kami.
Thank you, nurse. Mas kalmado na po ako, lalo na mas ipangapagpahinga na ako ng mas maayos.
In critical care settings, nurses apply biochemistry knowledge of energy metabolism and ATP production to guide patient care. Illness increases metabolic demand, making patients fatigue easily.
By clustering nursing activities, improving oxygenation, and allowing adequate rest, the nurse helps preserve energy. This strategy reduces metabolic stress, support healing, and promote compassionate, patient-centered care.
Critical care, patients may appear physically stable but still experience hidden health problems. Biochemical markers help nurses detect these problems early and guide proper care.
Good day! We are here inside the intensive care unit to show how biochemical markers help nurses assess patients accurately.
Even when patient looks stable, blood tests can reveal problems happening inside the body.
A 24-year-old patient who looks physically stable but reports feeling weak and dizzy.
So, yung vital signs mo naman ay normal, but yung symptoms mo is suggested an internal problem talaga. So, that's why we check biochemical markers like yung blood sugar mo, tsaka hemoglobin, para makakuha kami ng accurate na information.
Nurse, bakit po ako kailangan kuhanan ng dugo? Okay naman po ako physically.
Kasi, yung biochemical markers, nag-help siya na makita namin kung anong internal change sa body mo na hindi pa nag-show ng symptoms physically. They can also help us problems early and provide the right care on time.
Ano po naging result?
So, medyo low po ang hemoglobin nito, which proves that may internal problem po talaga. Since diagnosed din po kayo ng early sepsis, i-monitor po namin kayo closely and i-report po namin to sa doctor niyo po for timely treatment.
This shows how biochemical markers improve nursing assessment.
By using accurate laboratory data, nurses can detect problems early and act quickly even when the symptoms are unclear.
Today, we meet Tyron, a 20-year-old patient admitted due to poorly controlled diabetes. This scenario shows how biochemistry helps nurses manage both acute and chronic conditions.
Patient Malihan, your blood sugar is high. This happens when insulin can't put glucose into your cells.
Ma'am, nahihilo ako, ganun ko.
Yes, biochemistry helps us understand how glucose and insulin works in your body.
By understanding biochemical processes, nurses can interpret blood glucose levels and prevent complications like hypoglycemia or dehydration.
So ngayon, tatanungin natin si Nurse. Nurse, ano nga ba yung important ng biochemistry sa diabetes care?
So it helps us monitor glucose, adjust insulin doses, and recognize metabolic imbalances early. It also guides diet education, medication timing, and complication prevention.
Sir Malihan will adjust your insulin and monitor your blood sugar closely, ha?
So, understanding biochemistry enables nurse to deliver safe, effective, and patient-centered care, especially in chronic illness like diabetes.
Price gonna be dead.